Samsung has started working on the successor of its most expensive smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Not much information about the smartphone is available right now, but as for rumors, Samsung is working on enhancing the functionality of the S Pen for the upcoming Galaxy Note 9. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. It is also expected that the South Korean tech giant will also launch its foldable smartphone, the Galaxy X, which it showcased at CES this year. The smartphone is likely to sport a 7.3-inch foldable display and will be a part of the Note series of devices. But that is a topic for another video. Coming back with the launch date of Samsung's upcoming flagship phablet nearing, most leaks and rumors are appearing online. The Galaxy Note 9's design has been already leaked previously, and now the pricing of the Note 9 is also out to the public. Reports suggest that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will not be priced as high as Apple's iPhone X. According to Samsung Poland, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage could be priced around €990, which includes 20% tax levied by the European Union. So the Galaxy Note 9 is expected to be priced at $960 in the US, which roughly translates to 65,778 rupees in India, which can hover around this mark and 79,000. According to leaked images, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will look similar to the Galaxy Note 8. One can spot the familiar edge-to-edge infinity display, a trademark for Samsung smartphones for a while now. The handset is likely to come with on-screen capacitive keys, as it has a slim chin at the bottom. The notchless top houses the front camera, iris scanner, speaker grill, and the array of standard sensors. The right edge can be seen to house the power button, while the left edge houses the volume rocker and a dedicated Bixby button. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.